Today, I'm going to explain to you why the iPhone XR, in my opinion, is worth purchasing in 2020. What's up everyone, it's Jason here with Red Bee Labs, and I've got a question for you. Is the iPhone XR still worth it in 2020? I recently sold my iPhone 11 Pro Max, even though I love that phone. So I had a XR just laying around, so I said I'll go ahead and use that for a little bit, and I have been loving it. So in my opinion, is the iPhone XR worth it in 2020? Hell yeah. And here's why. I mean, first and the biggest, it was the best-selling phone in 2019, hands down. I mean, that to me is a big accomplishment, and best-selling phone. Also, people were complaining about the screen, the LCD screen, but I mean, honestly, if you held that up next to a OLED screen, you couldn't really tell the difference. I mean, yeah, you know that OLED is better, but without holding it side by side, it wouldn't even bother you. So definitely okay on the XR. I mean, you get a powerful A12 Bionic chip, which is the same chip the iPhone XS Max had. It also has the same front design as the iPhone 11. The XR is also packing a 6.1 liquid retina display. It'll have a 326 ppi, 625 nit brightness. So you're doing good. The screen is good. Like I said, the LCD panel is nice. You also get the same true depth camera on the front. One of my favorite things to talk about to everyone is the battery life. Now I'm coming off of an iPhone 11 Pro Max, and the battery on that is just phenomenal. But this XR is ridiculous. I mean, it gets me through like a day and a half. I mean, I charge it every night, of course. Just in case, we get paranoid. But the phone does really good, really good. I mean, you do not have to worry about this battery life. I mean, take it from me, you ain't gotta worry about it. Something else to consider: Apple has just lowered the price to $599 for the 64 gigabyte version and $649 for the 128 gig version. I mean, this is $100 cheaper than the iPhone 11. Also, we gotta drop in a little something about those colors. As of now, I've owned the red one and the white one, and there's plenty of other colors to kind of mix it up and change it up so people know you got a little something different than the, just the white or the silver or the black. And that matters to a lot of people. Me not so much, but I do love my red, my Project Red. Question of the day: would you buy an iPhone XR in 2020? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Okay, in my opinion, the iPhone XR is one of the best phones you can have right now. It's affordable, those cameras are on point, it's the perfect size, and that battery life. My gosh, that battery life. Before you go, if you could smash that like button, leave me a comment or two, and share this video. Also, if you could click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new content I release. As always, this is Jason, and I'll catch you in the next one.